Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by opening the Google form you want to connect, then click the Responses tab. This is the immediate action. Once done, press the green Sheets icon to choose where responses go. You should decide now whether to create a new Google Sheet or link an existing file, because that affects column layout. Make sure you're in the correct Google account and that both files are editable. Permissions matter, so confirm access before proceeding. Once you click the Sheets icon, choose Create a new spreadsheet or select Existing spreadsheet. This decides where headers appear. After you confirm the sheet name, click Select. Google Forms will auto-create response headers that match questions, and that's why choosing the right sheet matters. You should inspect columns for multiple choice, date, or file upload fields and adjust adjacent columns if you plan formulas. Make sure timestamp column is preserved. Finish by submitting a test response to confirm data flows into the linked sheet. You'll see a new row with the timestamp and answers. If the test doesn't appear, check that the form and sheet are in the same Google account, that you have edit access, and that the link wasn't accidentally changed. For more control, use import range or a short apps script to transform or duplicate data. This helps when you need calculated fields or cross-sheet syncing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.